Hello lovely ladies. So proper skincare regime that includes vitamin C can improve your skin for the longer run. The importance of skincare regime has been neglected by a lot of people. I know it is very difficult to make it as a habit for a few days, but believe me, if you do it again and again, you can make it as a habit. Very similar to the skincare regime which we must follow no matter what. So I use 5 products instead of 1 because it improves the texture of my skin. So I prefer Garnier vitamin C range which enriched with vitamin C. The correct order for a skincare regime starts with the micellar water to clean all the dirt off my face, moving on to using face wash to cleanse my face, then I go on to using the serum, after which I always lock my serum with the UV SPF cream. And on the weekends, I enjoy the sheet mask to rejuvenate my skin. This is perfect way include vitamin C for a good skincare routine. So my skin has drastically improved due to the religious skincare routine with the help of Garnier Vitamin C Bright Complete range. This range is suitable for all skin type and it is also paraben and sulfate free. Follow and subscribe for more. Bye!